Now, whenever you have either drawn a new dart or are adjusting an existing dart, you will want to add what is called dart bulk, which is the little part here that either jets out or jets in, depending on which way the dart is going to be laying. So we need to add in our dart bulk right here so that it matches up with the side seam correctly. Adding in dart bulk is very, very easy. All you'll want to do is make sure that you have your paper already taped in place behind your adjustment. So I'm going to go ahead and just add another couple pieces here to keep it all secure. And now you need to decide which way you want the dart bulk to be falling down, falling flat against the pattern. So meaning once you sew the dart, do you want the dart bulk flipped up or do you want it flipped down? Since this is on my side, I want it flipping down. All we're going to do is take our pattern here, keep it together. Let me tape this one more spot. Here we go. So we're going to pretty much fold together the dart. So we have a center point here, center line, leg, leg, dart tip. And we're going to fold it up so that the points of the legs are together. Okay, so you see that? I have my legs joined at the side seam here. I'm going to go ahead and just fold it right there. Don't worry about the rest of it. With this little bit of tape, which we will remove in just a second, grab your scissors, and now we're going to cut to the side seam here. And then we're going to cut through all of, there's going to be some extra paper behind you. And cut it so that all of the extra is gone, okay? So now I'm going to go back and either pull off this tape or you can cut it off. And just like that, you have your dart bulk.